All right, hi everybody. Nene here again. Been MIA for a couple days. Uh, Today we're on here online looking at a 1940 Cadillac limo. They're asking 4,500. It says that it has been stored over 12 years. So that's pretty neat. It's been kept in a barn or garage. As you can tell, it's just been in there, but that's pretty neat to see a 1940 limousine, being that I just did a video on a limo that we're going to be auctioning sometime in the next couple weeks. Next up, we have a 1998 Acura Integra for $800, 157,000 miles on it, and it looks like something has fallen on it in the picture. What the heck is going on in this picture? Wow. It looks like a pole has dropped on the whole front of the car. Yeah, that sucks. Wow. Yeah, as you can see, the windshield is smashed. Yeah, I would not be happy about that. It says a full B1 ALS swap with transmission, no grind, stage clutch, recently installed 2 months prior. Interior GSR seats, carbon fiber hood, etc. A part out. 800 the best offer, whole car with title. I wish they would have showed the damage in the front. Yeah, I bet they never parked there again. That's next, the 1994 Honda Accord for $630. These are the ones I like, this body style right here. They only have one picture. Well, they have two, but the other one doesn't really matter. They did a motor swap, 5-speed, 2.2 liter F22B engine series. Got cold air, headers, brand new fuel. I said brand new fuel. Sorry guys. Brand new front tires. 2 of them. Rotors. All of that. They drive it every day, hour to work, hour from work. Clean title. Good looking Honda. Pretty good condition. So y'all know I had to talk about this van. 1991 Chevy G20 van for $1,800. I'm in love with these high top vans. These are so nice. Looks like our storage fund van a little bit. That one was a few years older. If you go back and look at some of our previous videos, it says 223,000 miles, wheelchair lift, works great, tagged, runs and drives good, almost new tires. 98 Honda Civic hatch. The whole front is black fenders, ready for paint. They got the little spoiler on top, or little wing, whatever you want to call it. I love these little hatches. These are cool too. It says the bus is in the photo. What? I'm not understanding what they were saying. The bus is as in the photo. The price is negotiable for engine and transmissions. All good. For more info, inbox me. I'm not sure what they're trying to say. But okay, on to the next one. They're asking 2,000. It has 199K on it. So here's something really neat. This is already ready to go. 1986 Chevy C10. It's like they didn't chop the whole top off. This would be a real nice toy for someone. The whole thing is convertible. That's really, really dope. I don't know about the color. Not my favorite color, but it actually looks good on it. They're asking $6,500. It's a bagged C10 drop top, custom fiberglass interior. They got a stroker on there, 383. Suicide doors with shaved door handles, 15-inch aluminum billet rims. Nice. That's real nice. What do y'all think about the bagged '86 Chevy C10. Leave a comment below. All right, next up we have a 2000 Ford Mustang GT, 175,000 miles. They're asking $32.50 on it. Pretty neat. I can tell, they've done some work to it. They've, put some money into it, some customizations, custom paint. Oh, as you see here, they show a side-by-side picture. It used to be red and black, and then they did the little, purple and greenish or purple and bluish looking looking paint on there. It's under the engine or under the hood. Nice, pretty nice. They didn't say there's anything about it. Okay, trying to sell it by Monday. They're trying to sell it by this previous Monday or this past Monday in the morning if possible. I guess they really need the money. Really cheap. I won't go lower than that price. Thank you. 2000 Mustang GT convertible 4.6 supercharged on 8 pounds of boost. Auto with 410 gears. Runs strong, drives good, 175K. Car has been liquid wrapped. Okay, so it's wrapped. That's nice. A chameleon style color. Car was Trudino Motorsports or something. Yeah, supercharged and all of that. That's nice. So what do y'all think about this colorful Mustang? Next up, a 1994 Mustang. Or I should say, about half of the Mustang. Because it's missing like everything in the front. It's missing the front wheels. Windshield appears to be cracked. Missing the back wheels. It's sitting up on some pallets. Wow. Missing the back end. Fender looks destroyed. Definitely would be for somebody for parts. Unless you're into, rebuilding this Mustang. Yeah, it's missing everything on the back of it. Looks like there's some pieces of it inside. Oh, wow. You're missing the seats. There's no driver's seat, no passenger seat. There's a front bumper, headlights. Okay, so yeah, this is being more like of a project or something for somebody or a parts car. Let's see, I think they're probably just parting it out. Yeah, they're just parting it out. Right here we have a beautiful classic 76 Monte Carlo. That thing is pristine right there.
I need a tea, Mom. Mom?
Hold on, boo.
I want a tea.
Okay, so they're asking $3,500 for it. They're asking $3,500 for it. Let's see. It has a 350, 2 BBL, and a turbo 350 trans. The Monte has a new muffler and tailpipe, new battery, new water pump, new alternator. I bought it to finish restoring it, but things have changed and I will need to sell it. $3,500 for this Monte Carlo 76. Pretty nice. Right here, a 1991 custom cruiser wagon right here. Haven't seen one of these in ages. Ooh, and it's messed up. It's pretty crunched in the front, so they wrecked it. These were sort of like the minivan type vehicles back in the day. Now people really love them. But yeah, everybody wants one of these now. Nowadays they want one. 198,132 on the dash. It says runs great, transmission shifts like new. I drove this car 20 miles to get it home. Actually was owned by a 90-year-old lady. I do have a salvage title. This one has the moonroof. Almost new tires. Interior looks like new. Super parts car. I mean, it could be fixed. You know, definitely have some work to do on the front. If you're, looking to do a build, then this would be for you. 1987 Plymouth Turismo Duster. You don't see one of these every day. This is a classic. At least I don't. So, Here you have it. Kind of looks like the Mustang a little bit in the front.
Blah, blah.
Back when Dodge and, Plymouth were one.
Bye, bye. Blah,
Looks like it's a project.
blah, blah.
This would be fun. Oh, okay. Well, maybe they already got it going on. Okay. It doesn't look like everything's in there. So it's ready for somebody to start working on it. It says remove factory, A card 2.2. So here's the information on it right here. So it's basically ready for you to put it back together. That would be a dope project right there. Let me know what you guys think about the Plymouth Turismo. We got a 1990 Jimmy Sport. The paint job on this thing looks really nice. Oh, I guess that's their favorite color. I see they have another blue truck over there. This was fully restored. They actually did a good job. Really did. Let's see. 9,500 may trade for other hot rods or trucks restored. 350 fuel injection, all powered, new tires and lift. I have a rebuilt transmission needs installed. Looking to trade for something else. May take cash offers. It has 177,533 miles on it. So that's the Jimmy right there, you guys. So let me know what you think about it. And if you have not already subscribed and you're watching, go ahead and please click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next video.
11. Good. Bye.